understand the true meaning of Christmas. Let's start with the thought for the day.
Good morning everyone. Thought for the day is learn to light a candle in the darkest moment of someone's life. Be the light that helps others see. It is what gives life its deepest significance.
Today, Christmas is all about giving gifts to everyone. But true Christmas means giving joy to the world. Let's understand how.
Hi is the plan for the weekend.
I'm looking forward to this weekend with my family. It's Christmas! Yay!
Yeah, this reminds me I have to narrow down my wish list. For Christmas, who can pick between iPad or headphones? What's on your list?
I don't know. I haven't thought about it.
What Christmas is all about wish list?
You are it all wrong. Christmas is much more than that.
You are right. I need to think bigger. Maybe my own phone?
Ooh, I did not mean expensive gifts. I am talking about the true meaning of Christmas.
Ho, ho, ho! Joy to the world! Meaning of Christmas? Let me tell you, kids. Let us make Christmas real. Christmas is the spirit of giving without expectation. It gives immense happiness because we see joy on people's faces. It is forgetting self and finding time for others. So let each one of us be a Santa to someone and rejoice the joy of giving. From home to home, heart to heart, from one place to another, the warmth and joy of Christmas brings us together. What's Christmas without carols? Let's dance, everyone!